Racing just is started. We have gone static. Break quickly at the start. Ikaw ha. Lex Zeban is down on the inside. Gandang Pinay. While Dear Jan is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have gone static. By our length and a half. Lex Zeban in second. Ikaw ha is on the outside third. Then comes Gandang Pinay. While Dear Jan still racing in less half mile distance. They traveled. We have gone static. Lex Zeban in the middle. Ikaw ha is on the outside. Gandang Pinay comes next. While Dear Jan still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have gone static. By our length and a half. Ikaw ha is on the outside second. In the middle portion, Lex Zeban. Then comes Gandang Pinay. Dear Jan, last 400 meters of the race. Gone static. Ikaw ha. I want to throw the challenge on the outside. Lex Zeban, Gandang Pinay, Dear Jan. And as they swing for home, we have gone static by about 3 lengths. And in second, ikaw ha, Lex Zeban, Dear Jan, Gandang Pinay. But it's still gone static, followed by Dear Jan on the outside. Gone static, Dear Jan. And finally, it's gone static, Dear Jan, Gandang Pinay. Then comes Lex Zeban, ikaw ha.
Dado ang segundo.